Smartly learn with fun. Oxygen. Oxygen is one of the best known gas on the planet, largely because it is so important for our physical survival. It is a crucial part of Earth's atmosphere and hydrosphere. It's used for medical purposes and it has a profound effect on plants, animals, and metals. Here are some interesting facts about the element oxygen. So let's begin. Number 1. The name oxygen comes from the Greek word oxygenes, meaning acid producer. It was called this because early chemists thought that oxygen was necessary for all acids. Number 2. Oxygen is a colorless, tasteless, and odorless gas, but liquid oxygen has a pale blue color and magnetic. Number 3. Oxygen is atomic number 8 with element symbol O. Oxygen is best known as the element we need in order to breathe. Number 4. Oxygen was discovered by Carl William Seal in 1773. But he didn't publish his work immediately, so credit is often given to Joseph Priestley in 1774. Number 5. Oxygen found in the air is produced by photosynthesis. Without plants, there would be little oxygen in the air. Most oxygen on Earth comes from tiny ocean plants called phytoplankton. Number 6. Oxygen makes up around 21% of the Earth's atmosphere. It makes up around 50% of the Earth's crust, making it is the most common element in the Earth. Number 7. Oxygen is the third most abundant element in the universe. Number 8. Oxygen is the most abundant element in the human body, accounting for 65% of your weight. Number 9. Oxygen is essential to human life and is needed by most life forms on Earth to survive. Animals and plants require it for respiration. Number 10. Oxygen is found in the air we breathe and the water we drink. Number 11. Oxygen is not flammable. It supports combustion of other materials and should not be stored near flammable materials. Number 12. Oxygen readily dissolves in water. This property makes life underwater possible. Fresh water contains about 6.4 ml of oxygen per liter, whereas seawater contains approximately 4.95 ml of oxygen per liter. Number 13. Oxygen gas is used extensively by the steel industry to make steel. It is also used to make hydrogen peroxide and nitric acid, as well as oxygen is used smelting metal from ore, to filter water for making plastic and creating rocket fuel. Tanks of oxygen are also used to treat those with breathing problem and as life support for astronauts and scuba divers. Number 14. The green waves of color in the auroras is caused by the ionization of oxygen in the upper atmosphere. Number 15. Oxygen is rarely found alone in nature. Oxygen bonds to itself to form diatomic O2. Ozone is another pure oxygen molecule with formula O3. Number 16. Ozone is vital to absorb harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun in the upper atmosphere, closer to the ground. However, ozone is considered a pollutant and is hazardous to life. Number 17. Oxygen was the standard for measuring the atomic weight of other elements until 1961. It was replaced by the mass of carbon-12. Number 18. Under standard condition, oxygen is a gas at room temperature. It has a melting point of minus 218.79 degrees Celsius and boiling point of minus 182.95 degrees Celsius. Number 19. Oxygen is made of three stable isotopes O16, O17 and O18. O18 is the most abundant isotope of oxygen. Number 20. Oxygen is a very reactive element that likes to bind with other elements and easily forms compounds such as oxides. However, the only two elements it does not form a compound with are helium and neon. When oxygen combined with other metal and removes an electron from metal, it is called as oxidation, and when it adds electrons to a metal is called as reduction. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you next time.